Welcome back to A Minute with Mike. Today we're going to talk about camera views. So I'm going to go, I've got a drawing, going to go into 3D here. So this is my 3D view. You've got a button here says add camera. So it's whatever you're looking at, it's going to take a snapshot of that. So go add camera view and you can see the lines, it's bounding box. From here you can actually delete camera, rename it. You can also, as I move it around, I can go save whatever I've just changed the view of as well. You can also go and add another one. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to go turn on visibilities. And I'm going to go make sure it's by wall edges on and go turn off wall 1. Go look straight through here and go add camera. And there's that camera there. So I'm going to turn that back on again. And I'm going to go back to, say, this view right here and go add camera again. And so if I move it, I can go, okay, save the camera view and it changes that view again. Again, because I rename it, do what you want with it. So if I go rename, I can call this one wall 2 or something, whatever you want to call it. Now we go back to plan view, you go to cameras and we can choose, say, wall 2, camera 1, camera 2. So I'm going to go place camera view and just literally drag a box and it's going to come out with whatever you've just done. So I'm going to go to camera 2, place the camera view on camera 2, and then I'm going to choose camera wall 2 and I can put this one over here as well. Now as you can see, that second one I've placed, that one does not have the wall in it because we turned it off in the visibilities. Now, these are also live. I can grab this cabinet here and move it out, and you watch these slowly go up, up, up. There you go. They'll update. This is all live. Whatever I do here, these will update live. But also remembers on this one, that wall was hidden. Those cabinets were hidden, so you won't see them come through. So if you've got a U-shaped kitchen, much easier to see. You can rename them. You can do what you like with them, and they're all live. So they're really cool to have. And if you don't like it, you can just delete them. So that's been A Minute. Thanks very much for watching.